Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the class. And today we are going to see a lesson named The Wisdom in Carrots. Now, this lesson is about a king and his worker or member of his assembly. Now, let's see what happens and why the lesson's name is The Wisdom in Carrots. So let's get started. After spending a few months in India, Naziruddin Hoja returned to Turkey. Now, where is the story happening? In Turkey. He rested at home for a while and then set out to visit the king and tell him about his journey. So he rested for a while and then he went to the king so that he can tell about his journey in India. As he was leaving the house, Hoja's mother asked him to buy some carrots on the way. Since he was quite forgetful, she gave him a piece of paper with a word carrots on it. Now, what happened when he was leaving the house? So, what his mother said that please bring, while coming back to house, bring some carrots. But Hoja had a habit of forgetting everything. So, what she did, she took a piece of paper and wrote carrots on it and gave it to him. So, what will happen when he'll see the paper? He will bring the carrots home. When Hoja arrived at the king's court, he was greeted with garlands and loud cheers. So, Hoja, what did you learn in India? Did you find true wisdom? Asked the king. So, when Hoja entered the king's court or assembly, everyone gave him flowers and everyone clapped for him, shouted, and welcomed him. Then, what did the king ask him? The king asked him, did you find true wisdom? Hoja was stunned, means Hoja was surprised. How was he to explain to the king that true wisdom could not be found? So, how now he is thinking, how can I explain the king that true wisdom is not something that can be found? It had to be learned. So, true wisdom is not sold in market or grown in fields. It has to be learned. So now what happens? He cleared his throat. Now what he did? Like this he did and cleared his throat. I have not found true wisdom, Your Majesty, but I have learned many things that will help anyone become very wise, he said. So what he said, that I didn't got true wisdom, but I learned many things that will help anyone become wise. You have failed me, thundered the king. You have failed me, shouted very loudly. Now king became very angry and shouted at Hoja. Now what happened next? Hoja thought quickly, Your Majesty, I have written down all you need to know about wisdom on this piece of paper. Now what Hoja said, what you want, I have written on a piece of paper. So now, saying this, he handed the king the folded slip of paper that his mother had given him. Now, what did he do? He gave the piece of paper that his mother gave him for buying carrots, so that whenever he will forget, he can remember by looking the paper that he gave to the king. The king gathered all the courtiers. Naziruddin Hoja has just returned from the great land of India. He has found out what true wisdom is about and has written it down on this paper. I will now read it out to you. Listen carefully so that you too may become wise like him. Saying this, the king opened the slip of paper. Instantly, his face grew red and angry. He looked sharply at Hoja. Now, what happened? When Hoja gave the king the piece of paper, he gathered all the great men. And what he said? Nasiruddin Hoja has returned from India. So he has found what true wisdom is about. Now what he has written this in this paper. So now I am going to read it loud to you, and you all have to listen carefully so that we all will become wise like him. When king opened the paper, he became very angry and looked at Hoja. I asked you for true wisdom, and you gave me a paper with the word carrots on it. If you're trying to make me a fool, I will have you imprisoned, Hoja. Explain yourself. Now, what the king said, that are you trying to fool me? I asked for wisdom, and you're giving me paper with the word carrots. Now, if you're trying to fool me, I will imprison you, means send you to jail. Now, you have to explain me. What do you mean by carrots and how it is related to true wisdom? Hoja smiled and bowed before the king and said, Your Majesty, I would never insult you. I wrote the words carrot on that slip of paper because I feel that it describes true wisdom perfectly. Now, what happened? Hoja just smiled and bowed before the king and said, Your Majesty, I will never insult you. I wrote word carrots because I feel it describes true wisdom. So now why he wrote carrot is like a mystery, that how a carrot can describe true wisdom. But we will see this in our next class. So just await and just guess why Hoja gave carrots written paper to the king. So we will discuss that in our next class. So for today, bye everyone. Take care. And if you are having any doubt in this part, you can ask me. Okay? Bye.